Hi, I'm Darren from the DPF Doctor, just out visiting today down in Newbury. Guys from Miller's Garage here. We've got Sean and Glenn. Some of you recognise Sean from some of his magazine articles and stuff lately, and runner-up in Top Tech 2017. So, you know, handsome face pops up in the magazines here and there. So, just really pop round today to see how things are going. Fairly recently joined the network, so popping in to see how things are going and what you think so far, really. You know, so.
For me, we've looked at we've done DPF work for years. Wanted to become part of the DPF Doctor Network for a while. Darren's quite a very, very well respected guy in the industry. I mean, the amount of cleans he's done speaks for itself. Well over 1,000. There's probably no one else, definitely in the UK, that's not done that. And we were a little bit not sure what to do. We went to the training and it blew us away, didn't it? It really, really did. It just blew us away. The information Darren's got and the training, I think, is what makes his network second to none. I mean, the product as well, didn't it?
I think it makes us stronger. And as, like I say, around the country, all of us together are going to be stronger. The profile's already, you know, there, and people are already ringing us and coming to us, you know, from our side of it. But I mean, I came in. I suppose Sean knows a lot more about it than me. But that weekend down in Bristol, with passion you can see, and to me, it's a great thing. We're very proud to be part of it, and we obviously want to help move it forward. I think it's a great product. And let's face it, it's a massive issue out there, which can only be good for all of us.
Good stuff.
Which is really good, really. So no, really
good stuff.
Pleased to be here.
Just quickly on the product as well, from my point of view, we've tested pretty much every DPF product out there, which we were never happy with. We've had a couple of cars. I think there's no way on earth this JLM product's going to clean it.
It's just amazing.
We've had a couple of vehicles that were really badly blocked, and it just blew me away. Which is again testament to the network and Darren's work. So really proud to be part of it. So
brilliant.
Fantastic.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah,
thanks very much.
Brilliant.
Cheers. Thanks.